Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the countdown timer in Instagram. So let's open Instagram. Now on the top left side you can see your profile button. Tap there and you can browse a picture from your gallery, or you can click a picture. Let's click a picture. Now on the top you can see the square smiley button. Tap there and you can see all the sticker. So on the third row this countdown sticker is there. Tap that. Now you get the countdown. Give a name to your countdown. So give weekend break. Okay, you can change the color. Now let's set the time. Let's set for September 1st. Okay, once you are done, tap on done on the top. You can change the position of the sticker. Just drag it. On the top you can see this smiley button. Tap that, give some additional filter. This is optional. Okay, just you can choose from them. Once you are done, on the right side top corner you can see done. Tap that. Now you are ready to send it to your friends or share it to your stories. So that's all guys. Likewise you can do a countdown in Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.